Hi guys, this is Ron from Bad Boats. I'd like to take time to thank you for your support of the channel. It's grown. Right now, as of today, I just checked a little while ago. I think we're up to 975 subscribers. We're getting close to the point of being monetized. Again, I'd like to really thank you for your support. A lot of you guys have been with me a long time, and Ron, it was good to see you at the boat dock a couple weekends ago. But anyway, so as you can tell from the thumbnail, I had a little accident. I had a mishap where I cut my hand, and when doing so, I cut a couple of tendons in my finger. So, boom, I'm having to wear a cast. Now, as anyone that's ever had to wear a cast like this knows, is that it's really important that you keep it dry and you're not doing a lot of movement around. Um, I got about a week and a half to go until they're going to change out the cast and put on a smaller one. But, we're not shutting the channel down. We're going to continue to put the content out. We got some trips planned coming up that I think you guys are going to enjoy. It may not be boat ramps, but it will be definitely something water related. Um, you know, I'll just keep that in the background for now for a surprise. But anyway, so just keep with me. I thank you very much. You know, my wife appreciates the work that and from the subscribers. There's little things that we work on as we're growing. Like I say, right now we're up to about 975 subscribers, and we're getting close to being monetized. Once we start getting more money coming in, then we're going to do more traveling of different places. Hopefully, if the gas prices doesn't go up anymore. But I just wanted to let you know, hey, I'm still here. Maybe a half a finger less, but I'm still here. I'm still going to put out content, and I want to thank you guys. And everyone have a wonderful and beautiful day, and God bless.